I hope you all are very well and you are following your rules of few guidelines given by your government. Fine. We all are facing the COVID-19 crisis, so to be safe at your home and follow the rules. So right now I'm going to start our class. Today class is operating system. Okay, this is especially for the class 5, 6, 7 as well as 8. It can be. So, but 6, 7 and 8 it is there, I know. So, what is operating system? First we will discuss what is operating system. Operating system, that is OS. What is operating? After discussing our today's topic, we can able to answer few questions. That is, question what is operating system? I am writing in short OS, that is operating system. Second question is features of operating system. And the third one is uses of operating system. Fine. So, what is operating system? It is a rule. No, not a rule. Operating system is a platform. Say it is a platform which provides us the facility to interact with the hardware. Okay, like computer system. It is a like mobile. You can interact with the mobile only by using its operating system. That is, it's not forget the mobile system. Just we stick on our computer system. Okay. In the computer system, operating system provides us the facility to interact with the computer. It provides the user facility how to connect with the computer resources. Okay. First, I will define the operating system. It is a platform which provide the interface between interface to link between user and system. Okay, like we can understand it in other ways. Operating system works same like our elders works at our home. So operating system, it gives us the rule. It gives the rule to the computer hardware, other peripherals, which hardware work, what should be the rule of the system, overall functionality rule, we can say it. So let's stop. So like जैसे आपके घर में at your home, your parents makes a rule that whenever you have to go outside, when you have to be at home, at what time you should go to sleep. In the same way, operating system makes a rule for the computer system, which tells which hardware works what and which software works what, and under what purpose system will repair itself. That is, these rules are made by the operating system. Few operating system name are Windows, DOS, okay, Windows, DOS, Linux. These are the operating system. In Windows, there are Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows 98. These are the Windows operating system. DOS is disk operating system, that is fully command based operating system, and the last one is Linux operating system. That is in Linux, that is in your school smart class, there is operating system that is Linux, Ubuntu, and other operating system of the Linux is Ubuntu. One is next is Red Hat. Okay, fine. Debian, other many more operating systems are there, but we have to discuss only few basic operating systems. Now, why we study the features of the operating system? I am getting the point of feature of operating system. Okay. Few features of operating system are file sharing, security, resource sharing, and the process time management. We will discuss one by one. File sharing. What is the feature of file sharing? Feature of file sharing means in the computer network, the operating system gives us the facility that any computer system can use the any file of any system. Fine. It is basically mainly used in the large office. Like on internet, you are accessing the photographs of your friend using this feature, file sharing. Like on Facebook, you open a profile of your friend, and at that profile you are getting a picture of another your friend's photo. Okay, that is file sharing. Next one is security. It also provides the feature of security. Security in operating system, we can secure our file by using this feature, security. Then next one is resource sharing. Resource sharing is what? It is the usage of resources by many computers in a network. Like there are a computer network of 5 computer systems, and there is one printer. Then all these all other 5 full computer system except the server can use this printer by the use of this feature, file sharing, resource sharing. Sorry. Next one is process time management. Process time management is this is the most important feature of operating system. This tells us which process is taking how much time to open, how much time to initiate. Once you are click on any process and system is waiting symbol is coming at your screen. That is you are watching that a circle is moving, and it tells us that just you have to wait 3 seconds or 4 seconds. Once system is getting late of accessing those files, then you will get a message that feature can't be open. You have to wait for 5 minutes, wait for 10 minutes. or you are seeing this thing in the copying of file. That you are getting a message that 5 minutes to copy file, 10 minutes to copy file. Fine. These things are the process time management. If it's taking too much time, then the process will abort itself. System will stop the process itself by saying this can't be processed. There is too long time, and many other more features, internal features are there. Because of that, system can stop its process. So these 4 points are very important, and we after opening the school we will discuss this one by one on the broader prospect. Okay, so till now you just remember these 4 points: feature of operating system, file sharing, security, resource sharing, and the process time management. Next is the uses of the operating system. The different uses of operating system are: we can access file of other system. With the use of we can access, as we have discussed, the computer system provides us the facility to access the file of other computers in a network, in a computer network, and that is first use. This second use is we can make our file secure. By using this feature, we can protect our file by unauthorized access of it. Okay, that we can save our file for a long time. On internet, you can save your file by putting the password on your file. Like on Facebook, you can't open the account of your friend. And the next one is we can access other resources in a network. Yes, you can access any printer in a computer network wherever it be installed, doesn't matter. If it is in computer network, you can access it. Okay, by putting the IP address of that printer, you can access the computer system, the printer system. Sorry. And the next one is we can have many users. Yes, this is the most important feature of operating system. As most of you have done, just making a many account in the computer system in the lab, that 3 or 4 account, you can put password on that. You have done this practical, I know. All of you knows that you can make many different users in the operating system. This is a very important feature. So we have discussed the feature of operating system and the uses of operating system and what is operating system. These are the mainly these 3 questions are there for the operating system. And once class is open, is running on, we will discuss one by one again. Fine. So you prepare these 3 questions: what is operating system, uses of operating system, and the features of operating system. You must prepare it in your copy. Fine. Thank you. Have a good day. And once more, be safe at home. So be secure such that we can get all these things in our mind. Also, parallelly, we also have to put in mind the corona virus is waiting outside for you. So don't go outside. So be safe at home. Okay, good day.